It's the law. What happens between you and your doctor stays between you and your doctor unless you personally approve otherwise. Well, except for when the government wants to look in on what you're doing. Under HIPAA, hospitals, physicians, insurers, and their business associates are prohibited from sharing your information unless you okay it. Or if the government wants it. Title 45, Section 164.512 of the U.S. Code gives a lot of situations where the government is entitled to your data, a long and complex and confusing list that's ripe for abuse. And now, RFK Jr. is pushing for even more ways to sweep up all of our medical records, such as sweeping up everyone's vaccine data to cherry-pick examples to show that vaccines cause autism. So they've been pushing state health information exchanges to get data on the medical records of some 90% of Americans. For a medical question that was decisively solved long ago, vaccines do not cause autism. Autism has genetic roots, and the causes and development of autism way predate even the first vaccines. Pulling everyone's records into a single database doesn't only mean unwarranted searches by government, but also opening us up to cybersecurity breaches. The promised anonymization techniques have been shown to be insufficient for years, especially now that AI can be used to go through every single available identifier. We've talked about this before in the OpenAI cases, where the New York Times and a lot of other news outlets successfully grabbed the private conversations of tens of millions of Americans using anonymization techniques that OpenAI showed directly and clearly did not work. That didn't sway the judge in that case, so there's no reason to think it won't stand in any other court either. A study in Nature specifically showed that stripping identifiers from patient records, including chest x-rays, electrocardiograms, and electronic health records, did not protect the identities of all patients equally. They found that it's especially easy to target cancer and pain patients, and also for people of minority races, insurance status, or diagnosis. The government pays lip service to privacy, pretending that it's still a world where our data is written on dead trees and stuck in filing cabinets. It's not going to work in today's online world. And make no mistake, they know that.